The peanut butter crack.
Hey yo, so my sister told me she make it toast, right? Let me show you how she make it toast though. It's like so fucking ghetto, dude. Hey dude, quit! Stop playing! Look at what she doing there though. You see? It's so fucking ghetto. That is so ghetto. Flip it over.
Not yet. It's not done on this side. Oh wait, no, yes it is.
Ghetto!
It's also good for making grilled cheeses.
You know the funniest thing though? We got a toaster! We have a toaster! Oh my god, that's so ghetto. And this nigga right here with this dash and run and shit. Look at the way you dress. Justin, turn around. Justin. Turn around, Justin.
Begging me to.
Hey,
Yeah.
temperature like down there.